Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Fattoush Salad. So let's start chopping. These are the ingredients for the Fattoush Salad. For the vegetables, you will need 3 tomatoes, 4 baby cucumbers, 6 small radishes, 2 carrots that I've just peeled, 3 spring onions, 1 Roman lettuce, and for the dressing you will need 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, 1 teaspoon of sumac, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dried mint, and half a lemon. For the second part, you will need 1 to 2 pita bread and some light olive oil for frying. And this is how your fattoush salad should look like. Serve it as a side salad or have it on its own. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!